Hi, my name's Tom. I'm the CFO at Metro Trains Sydney. We're the operator and maintainer for the M1 Metro line that goes from Tallawong through to Sydenham, soon to be Bankstown. My role at Metro Trains is to actually lead the sustainability project. We're a Group 1 reporter and our first year is 30 June 26. There's a lot of information, there's a lot of checklists that were out there and trying to make sense of what was good enough for what we wanted to do in year one and beyond was where a lot of the complexity and the confusion was about, not necessarily just in terms of actual delivery of the report, but how do we align that across the business through to our audit committee at a board level and with our auditor. Where Trace really helped and what I really liked was the readiness assessment tool that they actually had. What that really helped us do is to get some clarity ourselves as to what we had and what we didn't have and where the gaps or the main focus areas that we needed to invest our energy was to make sure we got through year one assurance. But then from an output perspective as well, what I think has been really, really successful is then we were able to link that through to how do we use that to build trust in our process with the audit team, but then also actually with our audit committee and the board. They're not close to the detail of it. So having someone like Trace to support us with really good reports, really good sort of tools allowed us to really have a solid foundation of trust in what we actually did. I'd be bold. Probably would have lost all my hair by now. I think at the end of the day, we probably would have gotten there, but it would have been extremely more difficult. Having an external party come in and actually provide almost like an independent assessment of what we've gone through really added a lot of gravitas to what we're actually doing. So like I think whilst we would have gotten there, it would have been a lot more complex, would have taken a lot more time, and we probably would have done more than what we needed to in terms of ensuring what we needed to do for year one. A relief and trust, to tell you the truth. I think personally for me, having to lead the project, it was just a relief to have a really good model and a really good team behind me and partner me on it, give a lot of advice and really guide me in terms of where to focus the energy and what we actually needed to do, and then also how to engage with our audit team in particular as well. For me, it's the relief and the trust that it's built in the whole process, which is just gold. Start early, and get help early. There's a lot to do and it's very important to approach it strategically, not just year one, but year two and year three. And then make sure your support mechanisms are in place to do that. You don't have the time, you don't have the capacity, be it within your own role, within your team's roles, across the business. So having the right support for your business is absolutely paramount. That's probably the most important thing out of the whole process I've taken out of it.